Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Okay, hi guys. Welcome to the Nakida show. So today we've taken over. We have a surprise planned for Nakida and Nakai. Since 2020 has been a crazy year with so much negative stuff happening, we've decided to make it even more crazier with more positive stuff. So we're going to surprise them today. They're going to have their birthday, Christmas all in one, and we're going to surprise them with a present that they have wanted years. They have no idea we're going to get it. I'm not going to say exactly what it is right now, but we have a surprise plan for them for the day. So we're just on our way now to go and pick up their present. Let me see if I can turn the camera on. So we're on our way to Cambridgeshire to go and pick up their surprise. A 2.5-hour drive away. It's a rainy day. Not a very good weather. But we'll be back once we've picked up their present. Still driving. We're in Cambridge now. Half an hour away. Country road. These are the siblings, brothers and sisters, 2 of them. So there's 6 altogether, isn't it? Yeah. So there's 2 over here. And then, thank you. And then there's another 2 here. Yes. Oh, look, they're playing. So this is the surprise we have planned. Yes. And then this is the one that we decided to keep. And then there's the other one right here.
I know that one thing.
No, this one is strawberry that you're holding. Princess, yes. So that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is the daddy.
This is daddy.
Yes, this is the dad. And then here's the mum. They were barking at us like they know what we've come to do.
So he's called Albie.
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 Alright.
Hi. And what's mummy's name?
Bonnie.
Bonnie. So that's mummy right here.
Why would you do it?
So that's the mummy right here. And there's mum and dad together. We're on our way back home now. It's still raining, it's been raining all day. So this is the view. Driving back, and here's a little surprise. Hello, princess. So this is a little surprise that we have. I think she's sleeping. For Nakida and Nakai. They're going to be so happy. They have no idea that we have this planned for them. So next time we come on, hopefully it will be the kids getting surprised with their present. Alright, see you soon. Bye. This is the surprise we've set up for Nakida and Nakai. I'm just waiting for them to come home now. Their dad has gone to pick them up. So this is the little gifts we got them, all wrapped up with balloons ready. And this is the lovely surprise that we have for them. Hi. Yes. Say hello to the camera. So this is their surprise that we have for them. Waiting. Yes, say hello, princess. Hello, princess. Okay, she's not in the mood. So this is it all set up. So once they reach outside, I'm gonna quickly pop her into that big box over there, and then they'll come and open it and get their supplies. And then I've also got a little sweeties, candies for them on the table. And then we're going to buy some food. So they're going to celebrate their birthday, Christmas, everything in one early. Why not? Because 2020 has just been weird for all the wrong reasons. So we are changing the narrative and making 2020 weird for all the good and positive reasons. So when they remember back at 2020, they would also remember the good times they had where they got to have Christmas early, their birthdays early, and this wonderful surprise that they have wanted literally all their lives, right? They're gonna make a little girl and a little boy so happy. Say hello. Come. 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 Say hello. Come, come. Good girl. Alright, so next time we come, it will be the surprise. Stay tuned.